Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. You see what it says, 39, feel like 36. The high today, supposed to be 59. Tomorrow 66, 63, 66, and 64. So it's like we got a good week for the rest of the week. But we already got the van already loaded up and ready to go. We headed to our first stop. It's one of the customers that I had to reschedule because of the, she forgot her car was locked here, so the doctor. We actually finally got our car clean. We had to clean our car. But I do need the buffing, do need a good buffing. But other than that, I don't know why my van making a loud ass noise. Y'all can hear that. I don't know if I may need some steering fluid, but y'all hear that crazy noise. But I'm about to get ready to get out of here, man. Y'all already know, man. Oh, big thing on my face. Hold on, give me 1 second. But y'all already, man, do what y'all gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Let's start this day off great, no matter what part of the day you started off. You started off this morning, the afternoon, this evening, in the middle of the night or whatever. But let's make this day great and let's get it cracking. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. It's still cold out here this morning, even though I'm supposed to crank up to 50 something, but it's still cold. But right now we're about to do this Yukon Denali. If you see it, it is dirty. So we about to go ahead and work on the interior first because it's cold. Brother, a little freezing right now, but you see the interior, and it's a little dirty in here. So we're gonna go in here and get it cracking. You know what I mean? Door's dirty, seat's dirty, so you know. So we got a little job to do in here, but after we do this car, we're gonna head over to Charleston, Arkansas. Do a few cars over there, then we got one more stop downtown, and then we done for the day. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, and I hope you take pride in whatever you got going in life, man. Remember, stay dedicated, man. Don't let nobody demotivate you, and don't lose your ambition, man. So find what it is, find your passion, you know. Write down some goals, you know, do something today that make you uncomfortable. But on that note, I'm freezing. And I'm about to go ahead and start on this car, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We finally got this Yukon Denali done, GMC. Took a little time to get it done, but you know, it's a big vehicle. You see how big it is, 3rd-row seatings, how big it is to wash it, dry it, all of that. But we headed to our next stop, which is not too far from here, probably about a good 10-minute drive. But we're gonna stop at Home Depot too, just to grab something. But other than that, it is a glorious day. Starting to warm up, you see the sun shining through the trees. But other than that, man, I hope you're having a glorious day. Stay dedicated, stay consistent, stay persistent, stay relentless. And like I always tell y'all, man, we're gonna be great together. We're gonna do this somehow. But on that note, man, y'all already know, man, continue to do that thing. Hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. And I know it may be a little bit noisy because right here I got the 440 behind me. This is like a small interstate or expressway or parkway, whatever they want to call it. You know, I'm from Chicago. We call stuff expressways, highways. I forgot. It's another one. I didn't start saying interstate till I moved down to the south. But anyway, just working on this car right here. I had it last week, but the interior is a little dirty, so I know it's gonna take me a little bit more time to do it. But that's all good. But we made it back. If you see it, it'll take a little time to do it, but y'all already know, like I always tell y'all, man, if you take pride in whatever you're doing, the work is nothing. So I think this the only one they say they have for me. Usually I have several cars here for me, so them having just one car for me is a little different, but it's cool with me. Still got one more house call to make, so once I'm done with that, this car here to my house call, and then I'll try to get some stuff done around the house. Like I said, I do need to finish washing. I do need to clean 2 bathrooms, get kitty litter, things of that nature. But you see the weather's trying to warm up. There you go, say 48 degrees. So it's trying to warm up here. Remember the high supposed to be 58, so it'll probably be warm enough about 1, 2, then you know it start getting dark. But you see it right here. We're gonna get in here, hit this up, do what we do best. Hit it with the vacuum. We got my brushes and all-purpose cleaner and things like that. But like I said, I found a decent property not too long ago. Let me show you what it looked like. This is the property right here. I just found this property the other day for the shop. So I'm hoping this place to be perfect. I'm just calling people to see how much it costs. They haven't got back with me. So Lord willing, the price for this place is a perfect price. And you see it got 3 bays. It got a very large parking lot. We're gonna do overnight detailing, so the shop gonna be running 24 hours supposedly, hopefully. And you see it, man. I got dreams, man, and I'm trying to make sure I get to them. So hey, let's go ahead and make things happen. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this car, and y'all already know, do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do, or you do what you gotta do and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World YouTube, what it do, what it do, what it do. We finally got this Honda CR-V completely done. We got the interior done. Right now we're about to go ahead and pull it up, pull out the next car. We got like, well, they said they only had this one car for me, but I just went in there. They got 3 more keys on there, so that's a good thing, man. Blessed, like I always say, it's blessed, and you have to be grateful for those things. Like I say, hard work beats talent any day, man. Remember that patience and the consistency beats everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and park it. I already showed y'all what the interior looked like prior to, but this is what it looked like afterwards. Definitely got all the debris, the dirt that was in here out. Wiped down the doors completely. Same thing with the interior back here. Remember, it had dirt and stuff all hidden right there. The seats was dirty, but we got the car looking good. About to go ahead and park it and let them know we done. Like I said, the boss actually paid for everybody's car here, so we ain't gotta worry about getting paid by her. But y'all go ahead and do what y'all do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. So you do what you gotta do, man. And hit that button. I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Detail World, what it do, YouTube. We are doing the second car here at Charleston Hawkins Company. It's gonna be about the same package that we did on the last car. You see the mat's pretty dirty right here. Already got, we're gonna do the interior first. I'm trying to debate, am I gonna wash it first or do the interior first? But you see the car right here, it's pretty dirty. You see the wheels, you know, from that snowstorm a couple of weeks ago. But even the interior needs a good clean. You see it, got dirt everywhere, you know what I mean? So definitely gonna make sure we get in here and do our job correctly, clean these cup holders and all this. The whole, you see it's dusty all right here. It's dirty over here, even in the back. So we're gonna go ahead and do what we do best, and I hope whatever you got going on today as you watch this video, you do what you need to do best. So like always, man, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it today, man. Today is the day, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail World, we finally got this Honda CR-V done. Still got a few more cars here, so I'm about to put up the next one. The interior, I got mustard on my hands. Hands smell like mustard. But interior came out fine. Got the car looking good. Y'all remember what it looked like in here. So about to put up the next one, because like I said, still got another house call to make. So trying to stay on time for that. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing, man. We're gonna catch y'all at the next one. Detail World YouTube, what it do, we are working on this next car, which is the Acura MDX. We're gonna work on the exterior first, because we got the vacuum plugged over there, because I ran out of gas. Don't feel like running to the gas station. So like I said, we're doing this RDX, not an MDX. Interior pretty dirty, not that bad, typical debris. You know, you can tell these people don't wash their cars, they just wait till I come around. Ain't nothing wrong with that, because that's how I stay in business. But we'll go ahead and get it cracking, man. Work on this exterior first. Interior not that bad, so that's a good thing. But y'all already see the exterior of the car, pretty dirty. So go ahead and do what we do best. But y'all already know, man, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Detail World YouTube, we got it done. We're about to do the next. I think they got one more car for me. About to knock that out real quick. Still got a house call to make. Y'all already know how that go. Yeah, man, it's one of those days. Beautiful day though, can't complain. Finally got to the 50s. I'm about to go ahead and park this car. Interior wasn't that bad. I'm not going to show y'all, but I'm gonna go see if they got that other car for me. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it up. Still got the equipment out, but I'm not 100% sure. You got a little damage on the paint right there. Also right here too. You know what I mean? So, but remember the seats is a little dirty. Cup holders, things like that. Car look good though. Can't complain. But yeah, like I say, you about to put up the next car. Park this car, and I'm gonna get up with y'all in a minute. Detail world, what it do, what it do. We about to do this last one, which is just the exterior. We're not doing the interior because it's pretty bad and there ain't nothing I can do about it. And I need to be in my next stop. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on this exterior real quick, knock it out, get it looking as best as I can. But y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here. And like I keep telling you, help you take pride in whatever you got going on. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. All right, Detail world, we finally got this Toyota Land Cruiser done. We just did the exterior too. We about to park it, let them know we done, get paid. Head to our last stop, but y'all already know, man, we take so much pride in the work we do over here, man. Like I always try to tell y'all, man, take pride in whatever you're doing, man. But we're gonna cut this video short, man, so I can get to where I'm going. And like always, man, be great, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, y'all already know what it do, YouTube. We finished this last car today, which is just Toyota Sequoia. Like I told somebody before, I think Toyota got the most trucks in any brand. They got the Sequoia, the Highlander, the Tacoma. They got a bunch of cars though, so bunch of trucks. They really do. I just can't think of them all like right now at this moment, but Toyota got a lot of trucks and SUVs. But we completely finished this car, man. Y'all already know, man, we take pride in everything we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on, man. I'm tired. About to go home, cook dinner. Clean up this bathroom, things like that, edit some videos, but other than that, y'all already know, one love, love thyself. You can't love anybody if you don't love yourself. And I know I sound like I got a cold because this weather's crazy. Like right now, the other day it was 60-something degrees, and today it's like 50-something, but right now it's just the sun going down. It's already dropping. I'm cold, but I'll finish this car. I'm done for the day. It was a beautiful day, man. Continue to be great. We're gonna be great together, and I'll catch y'all later, man. Peace.
I was on YouTube. Watch TY 38.